Hey guys, hope you're doing awesome. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, if you're already part of this farm, thank you so much for joining me today. From the title of the video, you can tell what I'm about to share with you guys. It's just an updated eyebrow routine. I got a lot of requests from Instagram after posting some of my pictures, and I thought, why not do an updated eyebrow tutorial? You can do your eyebrows using a pencil, eyebrow pomade, eyebrow powder, different products that can actually make you achieve the same results. So I just love the pencil, and that's what I'm going to use today. First thing, brush your eyebrows up and just shape them. Or rather, this is what I normally do. And then using a brown pencil, I'm using the House of Tara one. I'm going to fill in from the tail end very lightly. I'm also going to, I always make mistakes by the way, every time, so I'm just going to use this to clean it up where I feel like I've overstepped. Yeah, just like that. Then in with the pencil again, just to fill in a little bit. Very, very lightly. You don't want to get the harsh pencil lines, so I'm just going to do this. It also helps to spread the product in some spaces that have not been touched. I've not applied anything from here to here, so I'm going to use a lighter brown pencil. This is another pencil, it's light brown, and then draw hair-like strokes very lightly though. And then you want to start from the root going up very lightly to get a good transition. Just did that, and then I'm gonna take the spoolie again and then comb it up. So that's it with the eyes. So next I'm going to clean up the eyebrow. You can use a concealer or a foundation that is a shade lighter than your skin tone, just to give it a really nice and clean look. What I love to do is just start from somewhere here, not all the way from here. So I'm just going to start from here and then clean it under the eye area. There, and then I'm gonna take it down. Like that, and blend it. Okay, so that's that. I rarely clean on top of my eyebrows, rarely, and if I have to, I use my foundation shade because I don't want that hello brow kind of look. So since I already had my foundation on, I'm just going to leave it like that. The next thing I'm going to do is just kind of tame my eyebrows using the brow mascara. I normally use the NYX one or the MAC one, the clear one, because I just want to make them a little bit lighter than the way they are. I'm going to use the NYX one because it's tinted, and this one is in chocolate. This is how I do my eyebrows. I hope you enjoyed this one. You know, I had to do it. People asked for it. I had to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next one, peace, love and makeup.